You sing the Hokey Pokey?
The Hokey Pokey and turn yourself around. All up to the left leg, and the breast in it, and the cake on the back. When it does the Hokey Pokey, the bear goes up mountain. Look, see the bear. A bear goes over.
Riley, say hi to Auntie Mo.
Hi, Auntie Mo.
Who's your best friend?
Auntie Mo.
And who loves you?
Auntie Mo.
And how much does she love you?
So much.
And how much do you love Auntie Mo?
So much.
Okay, can you blow her a kiss?
Mwah.
Mwah.